So we're going to take this, then turn it into this. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we are working on my Honda Pioneer 500 and we're going to be cleaning the air filter. Alright, so you're getting ready to pull your air filter out and clean it, but what do you need to be prepared to clean it? Just a few things really. So first of all, you're going to want some kind of a high flash point solvent like kerosene. You're going to want to get a foam filter oil. So this from Lucas is a pretty good oil. We want that. And other than that, really, I've got a bucket so I can put kerosene in here and clean the filter, let it soak for a while. So you want some kind of a bucket. And you know, maybe I've got some gloves just to protect my hands while I'm working with the kerosene. And that's really it. Maybe some soapy water to clean it, help get the kerosene out, a fan to dry it off, but just some really basic things. What I have here is probably all that you really need to clean the filter. So let's get that filter and get to cleaning it. Alright, so now I have my air filter that yesterday I washed in kerosene and I let it dry overnight. In fact, I set it here kind of in like an oil drain pan on a little stand and a napkin, and I had a fan blowing gently on it all night, and that really helped it dry. But before I put oil on it, I want to make sure I get all of the kerosene out. And you can actually see, let's see here, that there is, oh, yep, there's a little bit of a wet spot there still. So what I'm going to do is take this filter that was soaked in kerosene and cleaned with kerosene, and now I've got a little tub that has water in it and just a touch of soap. So I'm going to use that to put the filter in it, kind of roll it around, and the idea is that this is going to help the kerosene drop out of the filter. Just washing it in water. And this is pretty hot water. And you can see, all the fluid in there. It's picking up all this water, and that's fine. So I'll do this for a little bit. Then once I have it, the kerosene I think is dropped out. I'll put it back on that stand, blow the fan on it, probably overnight again. I'm not really in a rush here. And get all the water and soap dried out of it. And then from that point, I'll be able to oil it. Alright, so I've got the filter cleaned. I used kerosene to clean it, then got the kerosene out, then used soapy water to clean it. Got the soap and water out, used the fan to blow dry it, and now I'm ready to put oil on it. It's clean, it's dry, it's ready to be oiled. So I've got the same pan here that I used for soapy water, but I cleaned it out and wiped it dry. So I'm going to put the filter in here, take my oil and put some oil on the filter and wear some gloves to evenly cover the filter in oil. And that's pretty much all that there is to it. All right, so that's really all that there is to it. Just gotta use some kind of a solvent to clean all the old oil and dust and dirt out of the filter. Make sure you get that solvent out, use some soap and water, and then let it dry. And once the filter is completely dry, take some foam filter oil and slowly, gently work it into the filter. Try to get it evenly dispersed and completely covered. And that's really all there is to it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and if you thought this video was helpful, leave a comment for me. I love to see your comments. And everybody, have a great day.